Listen up, this isn't about theory or some distant future nobody really understands yet. It's happening right now. Machines are getting smarter, faster, cheaper, and they're not asking permission to take over jobs that once paid your rent, your team's payroll, and sometimes your company's entire bottom line. If you're feeling that knot in your stomach, that anger bubbling because your company's roadmap changed overnight, or the frustration of seeing brilliant people replaced by lines of code and cold automation, you're not alone. This is the kind of upheaval that doesn't just rattle industries, it smashes entire career paths and shakes the confidence of anyone betting their future on the old rules of work. Forget the fluff about new opportunities. Yeah, there will be some new gigs, but they're not popping up fast enough for the people losing ground today. The real pain? Jobs you can't just reskill into overnight. Organizations are cutting layers, automating middle management, sidelining routine expert roles, and putting pressure on founders and investors to either ride this storm or get crushed under the weight of outdated business models. Every decision feels like a gamble, every hire a risk, because AI isn't waiting, it's grabbing whatever it can. Here's the brutal truth you need to absorb right now. If you're not building your understanding of AI systems, if you're passively watching this shift from the sidelines, you're already behind. But don't get trapped in fear or paralysis. The key is not running from AI, it's learning how to control it, bend it to your will, and build around it. Don't treat AI as a black box. Get inside it. Understand its capabilities and limits before it outsmarts your whole business approach. Start by rewiring your strategy immediately. Engage with data like your life depends on it, because it does. Get your teams to think like AI operators instead of just workers. Invest in creating hybrid roles where humans amplify what machines do best, like pattern recognition, prediction, or process management. You want employees thinking ahead, not just competing with bots doing grunt work. This is about creating a workforce that designs AI tools, not one replaced by them. For founders and investors, the message is even sharper. Put your capital where AI augments human creativity and insight. Don't funnel money into automation that just slashes costs. It's short-sighted. Back ventures that solve critical problems where AI and humans combine forces, not just ones that aim to replace. If you're building startups, embed AI from day one, not as an add-on, but as the core engine that makes your product smarter, faster, and impossible to ignore. Network relentlessly. Stop waiting for the system to hand you connections. AI will hollow out the middle. Opportunity will live at the edges, where unique skills, quick learning, and agility combine. Form alliances, trade ideas, build microcosms of innovation that operate faster and smarter than the larger sluggish institutions. This is how you keep ahead, the right people in the right places, tooling up before anyone else, moving before the competition even knows what's happening. And for those feeling isolated or misaligned in this chaos, remember this, you don't have to do it alone. Seek out those few who get it. Build your squad with founders, investors, and operators who already see the new landscape clearly, who embrace change with purpose and aren't waiting for permission to evolve. This is where real power lies, in direct, fierce collaboration that beats noise and resistance. So stop whining about jobs being lost and start obsessing over what new roles you're creating. Stop fearing AI as a threat and start mastering it as your most ruthless ally. This moment isn't just about disruption, it's about survival, breakthrough, and owning whatever comes next. Move fast, learn faster, build smarter, or get left behind. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to learn more.